Microsoft just did something unexpected. Windows 11 version 26H1 is officially released. But you cannot install it on your current PC. Yes. You heard that right. If you are using an Intel or AMD computer, this update is not for you. So what is going on? Let me explain everything clearly. On February 11, 2026, Microsoft confirmed that Windows 11 26H1 is real. The build number is 28000.1. The update package is KB50777179. However, it will not download on existing PCs. It is only available on new devices powered by Snapdragon X2 chips. That means ARM-based computers. If your PC uses Intel processors, AMD processors, or even newer chips like Ultra 7 or Panther Lake, you cannot get 26H1. Microsoft says this version is built on a different Windows core. That is the main reason there is no upgrade path. It is specially optimized for new silicon. The focus is better performance, better power efficiency, and longer battery life. Microsoft worked closely with Qualcomm to build this version. There are also rumors that it may support NVIDIA's upcoming ARM chip called N1X. But that is not officially confirmed yet. Now here is something important. Windows 11 26H1 does not bring major new features. It is mainly focused on hardware optimization. So if you are using Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, you are not missing new features. Now let's talk about existing PCs. Microsoft is continuing its strategy of one feature update per year. And the update for everyone currently using Windows 11 will be called Windows 11 26H2. This update is expected in October 2026. Windows 11 26H2 will install normally through Windows Update. It is based on the same core platform as 24H2 and 25H2. That means the upgrade process will be simple and fast. So let's simplify everything. Windows 11 26H1 is only for new Snapdragon X2 devices. It uses a different Windows core. It cannot upgrade from older versions. It focuses on performance and battery life. Windows 11 26H2 is for all existing Windows 11 PCs. It installs like a normal yearly update. It uses the same core as current versions. It supports enterprise hot patching. And it is the version Microsoft recommends for businesses. Also important. 26H1 cannot upgrade to 26H2. And 26H2 cannot upgrade to 26H1. However, both versions are expected to merge again in 2027 with Windows 11 27H2. So what should you do? If you have an Intel or AMD PC, simply wait for Windows 11 26H2 in October. If you are buying a new ARM-based Snapdragon X2 PC, it will likely come with 26H1 pre-installed. There is nothing you need to do right now. Microsoft has basically created two tracks for Windows 11. One track for next-generation ARM hardware. And one track for existing PCs. It sounds confusing at first. But now you understand the difference. If this explanation helped you, make sure to like the video. Subscribe for more Windows updates and tech news. And I will see you in the next video.